So the Galaxy A52s 5G is actually receiving the July 2022 security update in Europe as well. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so this just came to my attention right now. I did the A52 5G video as well, but it looks like the Galaxy A52s 5G gets the July 2022 security update in Europe as well. So that's great to see. And again, if you guys have received this on your Galaxy A52s, if you are an A52s user, let me know in the comment section down below. It will help me and everyone out in the community. So it says, after updating the Galaxy A52 5G, Samsung also released a new software update to the A52s 5G. The update is currently rolling out in European countries, but more regions worldwide could get the update soon. So it's the same thing. They're going to be releasing fixes for over 50 privacy and security vulnerabilities. The update also includes general bug fixes and device stability improvements. So if you guys want to go ahead and update that, if you are a Galaxy A52s user in Europe, you can download the new software update on your phone by navigating to settings, software update, and tapping download and install. And just a few other tips before updating your devices. I would definitely back up everything if you guys don't back up things on your phone, if you want to make sure that you don't lose anything. Now, this is very rare that you lose anything when you guys are updating stuff, so definitely just take precautions and be safe. Also, if you guys are updating it, make sure you have space, because this may be a really large file that you guys are updating, especially for 50 different vulnerabilities that they have on this phone. So you may need to clear some cache or some residual storage that you guys aren't currently using. Also, make sure that you charge your phone up to 50%. The other thing is that you cannot call any number, even emergency numbers like 911 in the United States over here, or 999 in the UK. You cannot make any calls while your device is being updated. So I would typically do this while you're at home on Wi-Fi in case any emergency occurs while you're outside of the house. That's just few tips for you guys out there, especially for the people in Europe that are watching this video. But if there's anything you guys want to add in the comment section down below to help me out, maybe there's some new news or something, let me know in the comment section down below, and maybe you can help someone out in the community down below as well. But this has been Safan from TechRight. Hopefully you guys have a safe day. Peace out, Tech Gang.